A scientific response to worldwide tariff policies involves analyzing their economic, social, and political impacts using empirical evidence and theoretical frameworks. Here's a structured breakdown. First, the economic impacts. Trade effects. Tariffs generally reduce trade volumes by increasing import costs, leading to higher consumer prices and lower efficiency, also known as deadweight loss. Retaliation and trade wars. Countries often respond with counter-tariffs, harming global supply chains. For example, the US-China trade war reduced bilateral trade by over $100 billion in 2019. Welfare effects. Studies show tariffs often hurt consumers more than they help protected industries. The Peterson Institute estimates US tariffs cost households $1,277 per year in 2019. Now let's talk about political and strategic considerations. Protectionism versus free trade. While tariffs protect domestic industries like steel and agriculture, they often lead to inefficiencies and higher costs. National security arguments. Some tariffs, such as those on semiconductors, are justified for supply chain resilience. However, economists argue that subsidies, like those in the CHIPS Act, are more efficient. There are several alternatives to tariffs that can be more effective in supporting domestic industries. For instance, subsidies and investments in research and development have shown to be more efficient. Take the European Union's green energy subsidies as an example. Trade agreements are another powerful tool. Multilateral deals like the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership reduce tariffs while setting fair competition rules. And then there's the emerging policy of carbon border taxes, which aim to align trade with climate goals. The European Union's carbon border adjustment mechanism is a notable example. According to a study by the International Monetary Fund in 2021, widespread tariffs can reduce global GDP by 0.4% annually. This finding highlights the significant economic impact tariffs can have on a global scale. The World Trade Organization reported in 2023 that trade restrictions have surged post-pandemic, slowing economic recovery. While tariffs can protect specific industries, evidence-based policy favors alternatives like subsidies, trade agreements, and innovation incentives to maximize economic welfare. A balanced approach considers both domestic needs and global cooperation.